initiation, that is Diksha, should come forward. Those of you who wants to take the Diksha, initiation of Gayatri Mantra, should come forward without making any noise, without talking. Sit down. All of you, those of you who wants to take initiation of the Gayatri Mantra. I have told in the afternoon that what is the meaning of the initiation. Now we are under the guidance of our master, our Gurudev. Make 3 lines. Don't touch with each other. Make no contact with each other. No contact with each other. If anybody else wants to take initiation, can come forward. Those who are not taking, may please go away, slightly away. And those of you who wants to take the initiation, you can come here. On that side, on that corner, you can come here. We are having sufficient space. Or come forward. Remove the chair from dark to brightness. We don't know where to go and where not to go. But the Master tells that this is the right path, then definitely, after having full faith on him, we will choose that particular path. Our Gurudev has performed the big sadhana of 24 Mahapurush Charan with 66 malas daily for 24 years continuously. Eating only one thing, without salt, without sweet, without anything for 24 years continuously. Initiation means that we will follow certain rules and regulations of our Gurudev. We will try to mold ourselves according to the discipline of Gurudev. What are the discipline? There are few things. One is, we will spare some time to recite Gayatri Mantra. All of you know Gayatri Mantra. We will spare some time to recite Gayatri Mantra. At least 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes. In the morning, after waking up, doing the brush, taking the bath, we recite Gayatri Mantra for 10 minutes. It is powerful Gayatri Mantra. It provides us the wisdom. It increases the concentration by which we can increase our intellect. The second thing is, remember, the second thing is that we will read the literature of Param Pujya Gurudev. We have a monthly letter which Gurudev used to send. And that letter is Akhand Jyoti. The editor of the Akhand Jyoti is our respected Dr. Pranab Pandya, who used to write under the guidance of Param Pujya Gurudev. All message is for a month. If you have this opportunity, try to read this Akhand Jyoti. It is in English, it is in Gujarati, it is in Hindi, and it is also in all the languages. Try to read this. This is second. Third one is, you have to sacrifice one evil. Everyone knows that what is wrong with me. If you have anger, try to read. If you have any other bad habit, a habitual of speaking harsh words, try to change them into polite words. So many things you have, you can sacrifice anyone. Don't try to quarrel with your brothers and sisters. Don't try to cry, especially for the kids, to have your demand fulfilled. Don't try to cry. These are the few things you can sacrifice any one of them. anyone. The fourth thing is, you get your pocket money. Alright? Try to have the intention to give something, whatever it is, maybe 1 penny. Very small penny. Daily try to donate or the right cause. Your 1 penny is more important than the $1 of the address. Because you will develop a habit of giving something for the right cause. And when you will grow up, then definitely you will have this habit of giving something for the right cause. If you think that 1 penny is very small, very little, you can increase to 5 penny. Is it alright? In 30 days, it will become $1.50. And in 12 months, it will become $18. And that is too much for you. Because you are sparing. You will develop a habit to give something. And one and the last thing is that you have to do, you have to devote some time for the good cause. For the good cause. To serve the society. To read the good literature of Parampuri Gurudev. So many books are here. So many books are coming to your house. Many books. Try to read it. In any way, you have internet, try to see our website, awgp.org. If you don't read the books, you are not habitual of reading the books, you can go through our website, awgp.org. You will have so many things. We have some songs, some Hindi literature, some English literature, some Gujarati literature. You have the blog of our respected doctors. You can open that blog and you can read it, what you wish. So many alternatives are here. You can have any alternative, whatever you wish. Are you ready to do these 5 works? If all of you are ready, please raise up your hand. Please raise up. There is no compulsion. If you are ready, then you will proceed ahead. Alright? Alright. There are few actions which you have to do. Kriya, जिसे कहते हैं, कर्मकांड. We are joining you with our Guru. None of us will become the Guru. Our Guru will be Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya, Mata Bhagavati Devi Sharma. They will be our Guru. None of us will be. We are only joining you, just like as a grip you are having, which joins the electricity of the house with the electricity of the powerhouse. This grip. We are working as a grip which joins you with the powerhouse. Powerhouse is Gurudev. Powerhouse is Mata. Alright? स्वयं सेवक हमारे आ जाएं पानी लेकर. यहाँ से हम बोलेंगे, आप लोग पीछे पीछे दोहराएंगे, सबके ऊपर जल की वर्षा कर देंगे. ओम पवित्रता मम मनः काय अंतःकरणेषु संविशेत्. ओम अपवित्रः पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतोऽपि वा यः स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सवायाभ्यन्तरः शुचिः. ओम पुनातु पुण्डरीकाक्षः पुनातु पुण्डरीकाक्षः पुनातु. The red sandal powder is in your plate. Take it with the ring finger. This is ring finger. You know this? This finger is known as fourth finger. This finger is the fourth finger. This finger is the middle finger. And this finger is the ring finger. This is the small finger and this is thumb. Alright? Every finger is having the name. So this is the third finger. Take the sandal, red sandal in the ring finger and put it in the form of the spot over the forehead of each other. Forehead of each other. Om Chandanasya Mahe Punyam Pavitram Papanashanam Apadam Harte Nityam Lakshmi Tishtati Sarvada. You are having red thread, Narakshiri, Kalava, Dhaga, thread. Have this thread in your hand, in your right hand, and try to tie it in the wrist of each other, wrist of each other. Just do it, just do it. In the right hand of all the men and unmarried ones. In the left hand of married women. And while tying this thread, keep your wrist like this, not like this. There is a difference. When you put it like this, you are the donor. Alright? When you put it like this, you are the beggar. You are not the beggars. We are not the beggars, we are the donors. We will give everything to society. Alright? Keep it like this and try to tie out with this thread to the wrist of the person sitting nearer to you. Om Pratena Diksham Dikshayapnoti Dakshinam Dakshinam Shraddham Apnoti Shraddhaya Satyamapyate. Om Paramatma Chetanam Guru Rupen Vrine. Now we are reciting the prayer of the Guru. You sit like this. Om Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namastu Gurave Tasmai Gayatri Rupine Sada Yasya Vagavritam Hanti Vishwam Sansara Sangrakam Madhyavat Lalaitvicha Pitrivat Margadarshika Namostu Guru Sattare Shraddha Pragyayuta Chaya Shraddha Pragyayuta Chaya. Om Shri Gurave Namaha. Avahayami Sthapayami Dhyayami. Now repeat the words with me. We are getting initiation in the Gayatri Mahavidya. We will accept the tap, punya and prana of our Gurudev. We are absorbing it in our heart. Now sit. Heart mein food chawal andar rahe. Keep your flour and the rice inside it and make your fingers like this, like this, like this. The thumbs are nearer to you. Alright? Thumbs are nearer like you. And everyone is requested to please sit. Everyone is requested to please sit. कोई भी खड़ा हुआ नहीं रहेगा. Keep it like this and try to keep it near your chest. Your thumb, the nail of the thumbs should be up. ऊपर की तरफ, pass, quite near. In the upward direction, quite near. Try to see it again. These are quite nearer to each other. Joining and keep it like this. Try to see on the nails of the thumb. Don't try to see here and there. Try to see your Gurudev. See the picture of the Gurudev. See the picture of Gayatri Mata. See the picture of Mataji. Try to see the same picture in the nail of your thumb. Nail of your thumb. Keep your eyesight. Keep your sight towards the nails of the thumb. Don't try to remove them until and unless we ask. Until and unless the drop of the water falls on you. Alert. Attention. Keep your eyes on the nails of the thumb. Repeat the words. Om Bhur Bhuvah Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत् सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत् सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत् सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत् सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Water is being sprinkled over all of you. Try to recite the Gayatri Mantra in your heart silently. Om apo nishamayor bhuvah tana urje dadhatana mahenaraya chakshase. Om yo vah shivatamo rasah tasya bhajayate hanah ushati va matarah. Om tasma arangamamavo yasya chaya jingvatha apo janayatachana. Now remove your right side from the thumb. Be normal, relax. Now from today, from this moment, your Guru is Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Don't try to do any work which is harmful for you, for the nation, for the Guru, which had the bad name for the mission, for the Guru, for yourself. He will definitely guide you, as Dr. Sahab has told us, Dr. Ji has told us, your heart is pure, your action is pure, your feeling is pure, and you will not do any work intentionally wrong. If you don't do anything intentionally wrong, then definitely you will feel that your master, your Guru will guide you at each and every step of your life. And you will realize it within no period of time. Within no period of time. So many of us has realized it. So many of the persons who are sitting here in front of us has realized it. Then definitely you are one of them. You will definitely realize that Guruji is helping you at each and every moment. The flower is in your hand. The flower is in your hand. You have to take one place. One place, the place for sacrificing one bad habit. Take the place for one bad habit. एक बुरी चीज को छोड़ने का संकल्प ले लीजिए। संकल्प छोटा हो, ये नहीं कि मैंने सब बुराई छोड़ दिया, I have left every evil habits. No, it is not possible for anyone. Take one. From today, I will not cry. From today, I will not quarrel. From today, I will not have any anger with my mother, with my parents, with my younger brothers like this. So take any little, whatsoever it is. If any one of us is non-veg, eating non-veg, this is the opportunity of sacrificing it. How cruel it is that for our taste, we are killing animals. We are killing those who cannot speak, those who are not having the power to fight to save their life. We are simply killing them for our taste. We cannot sacrifice our taste for their life, but we are sacrificing their life only and only for our taste. This is not needed. You can say, if any one of us is having the bad habit of chewing some tobacco or something like that, it is the opportunity to leave that bad habit. If someone is having the bad habit of watching the television off and on here and seeing the wrong channels, this is the opportunity to leave this bad habit. Have some discipline in your life, and definitely you will feel that your master has taken you to the top. I have given you the example. We all are the example of it. Our master has chosen us. Our master has taken us from bottom to the top. Whatever we all are due to our master, due to our Gurudev. ये सब कुछ गुरुदेव की कृपा से। आइए यहाँ पर अब हम संकल्प करते हैं। संकल्प करते हैं बड़ी गुना। You keep your hands like this, left hand below, right hand up, flowers under the eyes, in the palm of the right hand. ओम विष्णु 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 श्रीमद् भगवतो महापुरुषस्य विष्णुराख्या पर्वतमानस्य अतिश्री ब्राह्मणे द्वितीय प्रार्थे श्री श्वेतपारहृत्ये वैवस्वमन्वन्तरे भूलोके अमेरिका क्षेत्रे वाशिंगटन खंडे देशांतर्गते बाल्टीमोर क्षेत्रे वेस्टर्न स्थले श्रेष्ठ मासा नाम मासोत्तमे श्रेष्ठ मासे कृष्ण पक्षे चतुर्दशी तिथौ गुरुवासरे अपने अपने गोत्र का नाम अगर याद हो ले लीजिए, नहीं तो यू कॉल दिस गोत्र एज कश्यप एज भारद्वाज गोत्र। भारद्वाज गोत्र इज ऑफ गुरुदेव। अमुक गोत्रोत्पन्न, नाउ कॉल योर नेम, अपना नाम बोलिए। अमुक नामाहम, नाउ रिपीट द वर्ड्स। श्रुति स्मृति पुराणोक्तम फल प्राप्त्यर्थम मम कायिक वाचिक मानसिक ज्ञाताज्ञात सकल दोष निवारणार्थम आत्म कल्याण लोक कल्याण गायत्री महा विद्यायाम श्रद्धा पूर्वकम दीक्षितो भवामि तन्निमित्तकम युग ऋषि वेदमूर्ति तपोनिष्ठ परम पूज्य गुरुदेव पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्येण वंदनीय माता भगवती देवी शर्मणा च निर्धारितानि अनुशासनानि स्वीकृत्य तयोः प्राण तपः पुण्यांशम स्वान्तः करणे दधामि तत्सा धैतुं च समय प्रतिभा साधना नाम एकांशम। Whatever you have decided, the elders, the senior persons who are sitting, whatever you have decided to donate daily for the right cause, you can keep it in your hand. Whatever you youngsters have decided to sacrifice any bad habit, you decide in your mind. Now repeat, Navanirmana Karyeshu Prayuktum Guru Dakshinaya Sankalpam Aham Karishye. Now touch it with your forehead. And come here, one by one, in line, the plate is here. एक प्लेट रख दीजिए डॉक्टर साहब के सामने, तिलक करते जाएंगे डॉक्टर साहब सबका। गुरु जी के वरिष्ठ प्रतिनिधि होने के नाते वो तिलक करेंगे यहाँ पर सबका। और यहाँ से एक रुद्राक्ष और एक गुरुदेव का चित्र आपको दिया जाएगा यहाँ पर, ये आप ले लीजिएगा। और इसको आप बांधकर, ये गुरु जी के द्वारा दिया गया है, एज्यूम इट, यू विल कीप इट लाइक दिस। दिस इज रुद्राक्ष, this is for you, you can keep it. All right, here you are having the picture of Param Pujya Gurudev, Param Manoli Mataji. This is Sajal Shraddha, Pragya. Inside it you are having Veda Mata Gayatri and the Gurudev of our Gurudev. That is Dada. You will get it from one by one. You will come.
8 minutes, just one minute. Just one announcement. Just I got phone call from Shantipur, behalf of श्रद्धेय डॉक्टर साहब. वेदर कंडीशन के हिसाब से श्रद्धेय डॉक्टर साहब रात 10 नहीं पाए, इसलिए मॉर्निंग में जो उनका लाइव आने वाला था वो नहीं आएगा. कल सुबह उनका मैसेज आ जाएगा. जस्ट दिस अनाउंसमेंट. आरती और अगला क्रम.
Just there is a announcement. Rajkumar ji is having a talk with Shanti Kunj Haridwar from respected Dr. Saab. According to him, due to bad weather in India, in Uttarakhand, in Haridwar, Dr. Saab could not sleep throughout the night, and due to the bad weather, it is not possible to transmit all things live from Shanti Kunj Haridwar to here. So today we are not getting any live message from Dr. Saab at this moment, for which we are prepared. In the morning, we will get a message, recorded message of respected Dr. Saab. Thank you. One by one, from here. ऊपर पादुका को भी प्रणाम करते जाएंगे. Right?
Be a good girl.
Right? Give me
Be a good girl. Read that.
ऊपर से प्रणाम करके ऊपर से जाओ. इधर से निकालें.
जागृत करो हमारी
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. Aarti will be here on the dais, on the stage. One by one you will come from this side. Take the Aarti, whatever you want to.